In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your PayPal password if your phone number has changed. This can be a really frustrating situation because PayPal usually sends a text message to your registered number to confirm it's really you. If you no longer have access to that number, you can get stuck on the login or security screens. So in this walkthrough, I'll show you a clear way to contact PayPal support so they can help you reset your password safely. First, open your web browser and go to your PayPal dashboard by signing into your account the usual way. If you're already logged in, you should be on your account summary page where you can see your balance and recent activity. If you're having trouble logging in at all, try using any backup methods PayPal offers on the screen. But if those don't work, stay with me because support can still assist you. Once you're on your dashboard, look for the help option. This is usually found at the top or bottom of the page, often in the main menu or the footer. Click on Help to open PayPal's Help Center. This area contains articles, FAQs, and links that guide you through different account issues. On the help page, you'll see various help topics, but instead of browsing through all of those, go straight to the Contact Us option. Click on Contact Us to move from general help articles to ways of speaking directly with PayPal's support team. After you click Contact Us, PayPal will show you different ways to reach them. Here, you want to select Message Us. This opens PayPal's secure messaging system, where you can chat with a virtual assistant and, if needed, be connected to a human customer service agent. When the messaging window opens, click into the text field and clearly explain your problem. For example, you can write something like, "I need to change my PayPal password, but I can't receive the verification code because my phone number has changed. Please help me update my details and reset my password." Be as clear and calm as possible and avoid sharing sensitive information like your full card numbers or full passwords in the chat. Once you send your message, PayPal's system will either provide some automated suggestions or connect you to a customer service agent. Follow their instructions carefully. They may ask you some security questions or request certain documents to verify your identity. After they confirm it's really you, they'll guide you through updating your phone number or resetting your password so you can securely access